kettle takes a while to heat up, but when it does, it's like extremely hot for quite some time, which is cool.